Learning alphabets is fun. Let's get into the video. A for apple. A for airplane. A for ant. A for alligator. B for book. B for butterfly. B for banana. B for bees. C for car. C for corn. C for cake. C for calm. D for diamond. D for donut. D for dog. D for duck. E for earth. E for eraser. E for egg. E for elephant. F for frog. F for fish. F for flower. F for fox. G for goat. G for giraffe. G for goldfish. G for ghost. H for honey. H for heart. H for hat. H for house. I for iron. I for ink. I for ice cubes. I for ice cream. J for jellyfish. J for jam. J for jar. J for juice. K for kite. K for koala. K for kiwi. K for king. L for lemon. L for lobster. L for lamb. L for lion. M for monkey. M for melon. M for milk. M for mango. N for numbers. N for nuts. N for nest. N for net. O for owl. O for octopus. O for orange. O for onion. P for pineapple. P for pig. P for panda. P for penguin. Q for quill. Q for quail. Q for quilt. Q for queen. R for rat. R for rain. R for rabbit. R for rose. S for sun. S for sun. S for spider. S for snake. T for turtle. T for train. T for tree. T for tiger. U for umbrella. U for unicycle. U for underwear. U for umpire. V for vulture. V for vase. V for west. V for van. W for whale. W for watch. W for watermelon. W for wallet. X for Xmas tree. X for X-ray. X for xylophone. Y for yarn. Y for yacht. Y for yo-yo. Y for yoke. Z for zipper. Z for zoo. Z for zero. Z for zebra. Thanks for learning your ABCs with us. Keep practicing, champ.
Thanks for watching. If you had fun, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and remember to ring the bell so you never miss our next line. See you.